Hello, happy birthday, Nay. I wish more birthday coming to you. Kasi marami ka pang mababait na apo para alagaan. At ang iba ay hindi pa lumalabas. Happy birthday again.
Okay. Happy birthday! Mudra, happy birthday! Sana lagi kang maganda, masaya, at malakas ang pangangatawan. Sana ay andyan ka parate para sa amin at sa iyong mga apo. Sana ay masaya ka araw-araw. Bye! Happy birthday!
Hi, Nay. Good morning. Happy birthday. Sana laging masaya, malakas ang pangangatawan. At maraming salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday. Ito yung anak mo sa Dubai. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Ay, patayin mo mga! Patayin mo, Daddy!
Ayan mo lagi.
Ikaw, Daddy! Sunod ka.
Hi Lola, happy birthday. Wish you always have a strong and healthy body. We love you always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nila. Sorry kung ginagalit kita palagi, hindi minsan kasi always. Sorry la, dahil lagi ka sa akin nagtitimpi, buti na lang napipigilan mo pa ang sarili mong kaltokin ang ulo ko. Ang sakit pa naman. Tapos kukuritin ka pa. Yan lang la. Happy birthday! Sana la. At saka la, ikaw ang pinakamasarap magluto ng tortang talong sinasilaw-saw sa itlog at breadcrumbs. Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi la. We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Yan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Nay. Galing sa mga imported mong anak at son-in-law.
Happy birthday, Nay. Take care always. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo.
Palakas kayo kasi mag-aalaga kayo sunod ng aming baby.
Bibigyan. Ayan o. Ayan o.
English mo naman kasi Canadian ka, Canadian fake. Canadian to be.
Papunta kami ng grocery. Kaya, happy birthday. Ingat lagi.
Sige po, happy birthday.
Bate, enjoy.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Again.
Lola!
Tama na. Si Mami.
Happy birthday, Lola! Thank you po sa pag-aalaga. From Calex, happy birthday, we love you. Lola!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Lola!
Happy birthday! Game, ulit.
Lola!
Hello, Minay. Wishing you a fabulous birthday, filled with love and blessed. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga advices, sa lahat ng kwentuhan. Mamimiss ko yun ng sobra. Stay healthy, ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, ayaw.
Happy birthday, Mama. Sabi po, tangan mo ako ng maraming pera.
Hi na, happy birthday po. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo ay sana magmalakas kayo. Kayo sa mga sakit. At sana magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming apo na alagaan. At sana marami pa kayong birthday na dumaan. At maraming salamat la. At happy birthday po. Thank you.
happy birthday to the most amazing Lola in the world. Today is your special day. May you enjoy it to the fullest. I send my wishes for your happiness and good health. May your connection with God grow stronger. Lola, always remember that everybody loves you and I absolutely adore you. And many people adore you. Of course, stay safe always and God bless.
Birthday, Lola!